Samajwadi Party MP Ram Gopal Yadav losing his cool when asked about India bloc leadership. The MP loses his cool. And remember, this comes after Ram Gopal Yadav just previously, earlier today, questioned Rahul Gandhi's leadership skills. And now you've got Ram Gopal Yadav, when asked about his comments on Rahul Gandhi, losing his cool and saying all India bloc netas are competent.
Freedom of expression anybody can say anything. So far as the question of Mamata Banerjee is concerned, she is a very competent leader and whatever she has said, she can do it.
नहीं, इंडिया अलायंस की नेतृत्व को लेकर लगातार अब सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं।
वही तो मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ और क्या दे रहा हूँ जवाब।
नहीं, राहुल गांधी फिर नहीं कॉम्पिटेंट है क्या सर फिर?
अरे इससे 20 आदमी कहेंगे हम कॉम्पिटेंट, दे आर ऑल कॉम्पिटेंट।
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया ब्लॉक में तमाम नेता हैं जो नेतृत्व कर सकते हैं।
इस देश का नेतृत्व कर सकते हैं, तो इंडिया गठबंधन की बात कर रहे हैं।
तो बिखराव है ना फिर इंडिया
बिखराव नहीं है, नो
सब नेता बन रहे हैं, सब पर
क्यों नेता नहीं बनेंगे? सारे घूम रहे हैं, नेता नहीं क्या है, जनता चुन के आते हैं।
So that's Ram Gopal Yadav there hitting back when asked about his comment on Rahul Gandhi, where he raised questions over Rahul's leadership skills. And this again has put the focus on the rift in the India bloc. Allies taking on the grand old party within the India bloc. You again had the Samajwadi Party and the Trinamool Congress skipping the India bloc protest over Adani that was led by Rahul Gandhi in Parliament. But there's also a war of words that's playing out in political corridors. Ram Gopal Yadav earlier today lashed out at Rahul Gandhi, saying he lacks leadership qualities, lacks the skill. And this at a time when you've got the Trinamool Congress rather publicly endorsing Mamata to lead the India bloc. The Congress, responding to Ram Gopal Yadav, has said he's linked with the RSS and that Akhilesh should be wary of him. They've also completely opposed any sort of leadership position being taken by Mamata Banerjee. But remember, the Samajwadi Party, as well as the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, the Uddhav Sena, they've all supported the idea of Mamata Banerjee leading the India bloc.
So how do you see this entire thing where Sharad Pawar also says, you know, she's a woman leader, she's firebrand and she has the potential about Bengal Chief Minister?
Yes, she is very capable of leading the alliance. She was the one who formed the alliance. And if you look at the strike rate of Congress, Narendra Modi, BJP versus the Congress, they have only 10% strike rate.
Right.
If you look at the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, with Mamata Banerjee leading the Trinamool, it's 70%. Even in the by-elections, where BJP had 1 seat, now it's become a member of parliament.
Right.
And we had 5, she hit the BJP and Narendra Modi ji for a 6 out of West Bengal boundary. She has shown the capability as a chief minister.
They said Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's performance was bumper.
But what happened after that? I mean, you had a bumper performance in Maharashtra, and what happened after that? Fizzled out. What happened in Haryana?
So you're saying there's no consistency about it?
No, that is, the question is, it's not against anybody. It's everybody talking about the firebrand leader who can give a challenge to Narendra Modi ji is Mamata Bandyopadhyay.
समाजवादी पार्टी तो ये चाहती है कि इंडिया गठबंधन कायम रहे और इंडिया गठबंधन मिलके चुनाव लड़े। गठबंधन के नेता तो अभी खरगे साहब हैं।
गैर भाजपा विपक्षी दलों की एकजुटता इंडिया गठबंधन में है और एकजुट होकर के सब लोग बीजेपी के खिलाफ सांप्रदायिक शक्तियों से लड़ रहे हैं। देश को, लोकतंत्र को, संविधान को बचाने के लिए बिहार में आरजेडी श्री तेजस्वी यादव जी नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं। ड्राइविंग सीट पर आरजेडी है और बिना आदरणीय लालू प्रसाद जी के बिहार में भाजपा के खिलाफ लड़ाई की कल्पना भी नहीं की जा सकती है।
जो हम बार बार कह रहे हैं कि हम इंडिया गठबंधन देश की प्रजातंत्र और देश के संविधान को बचाने के लिए बना है और एक निर्णायक भूमिका ली है। आने वाले समय में ये लड़ाई और महत्वपूर्ण होने वाली है, जिस तरीके से प्रश्न चिन्ह पूरे इलेक्शन प्रोसेस पर भी उठ रहा है। तो जो बेस्ट सूटेड है टू लीड इट, वो इंडिया के सारे सीनियर लीडर्स उस पर मुलाकात करेंगे, इस पर व्यापक चर्चा होगी और फिर निर्णय लिया जाएगा। इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है कि जहां तक ममता बनर्जी जी का सवाल है, उन्होंने कितनी सक्षम लीडर हैं, वो जनता को दिखाया है, वो देश को दिखाया है, वेस्ट बंगाल में साबित किया है, और वो एक हैं जो सबको साथ में लेकर चली हैं।
We are not concerned about the downfall of Congress party or failure of the leadership of Sri Rahul Gandhi. The Congress party as well as the members of the India Alliance, they have already told that Rahul Gandhi has failed in taking the alliance together or to lead the alliance. I'm not concerned about it because it is a matter to be dealt by them. What I'm saying is, when it comes to national interest, we must work together and unitedly. And Rahul Gandhi's failure is bad for Congress party and bad for India Alliance.